the distance. Will to survive. So many times you trade your passion for glory. Don't lose your grip. Keep them alive. And he's watching us all with the
Built from struggle, fueled by purpose. Akala ko dati, as an OFW, doon ko na makuha ang pangarap ko. Akala ko, sapat na yung makapagpadala sa pamilya buwan-buwan. Akala ko, yung pagod, lungkot, at pagkawalay sa mga mahal sa buhay ay parte na talaga ng kapalaran ko. Pero hindi pala hanggang doon lang. May mas maganda pa palang buhay na naghihintay. May oportunidad pala na hindi lang ako makakatulong sa pamilya ko, kundi pati sa sarili ko at sa ibang tao. An opportunity to earn, to grow, and to be present right where I belong. I took the chance and it changed everything. Today, I'm building something of my own. I'm creating a life with purpose, passion, and freedom. Kaya huwag kang matakot humanap, huwag kang matakot magsimula, dahil minsan, ang akala nating hangganan ay simulang palang pala ng mas magandang bukas. Kaya kung nakaya ko, kayang-kaya mo rin. I am Marjorie Gallia, former OFW, a proud member of Tao Elevate, the way to success.